It's time to buzz all my hair off. I'm here with Trulee and Skyla to help me out.
Hey! Hi!
I want to get a mohawk first, and then I want to go completely bald. The reason my hair looks like this, if you guys haven't seen it, is because I gave myself a scene haircut when I had straight hair.
Yeah.
Which obviously is not a good idea if I was going to keep it. But I just had to see what it looked like because it was the haircut of my dreams from like middle school.
Same.
So,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Can't relate, but I'm so happy for them.
But I'm glad I did it. It looks kind of crazy now. Like, not that bad, actually. But it's definitely not a haircut I would want to keep long term. So let's buzz it all off. I am very nervous. I was less nervous before, and I don't know what happened.
It's like you're doing it. Disassociating.
Yeah. Let's get me in a cape.
Yeah.
Button me up, please.
Can I touch you?
Please. Oh my god, this is really happening.
That's a nice cape.
It is.
That looks luxurious.
It is. It was like the nicest one on the site, and I was like, that's the one I want. And now it's like a little pattern to it.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to like see what the pattern is. That's cool.
So I think we're gonna start by cutting some of my hair off, and this is the Sheer Expressions Hey Rosie scissors. And please don't flame me if I hold them wrong.
Don't flame up.
I think I want my mohawk like this wide, where like the widow's peak ends. So we'll like section this and then braid it off.
Yeah. Now you might be too tall for me.
Oh. And you braid Skyla's hair sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah, like just a casual braider over here.
Yeah. I mean, I trust you for sure.
Thank you.
And we're buzzing it off anyway, so if it's bad, then it doesn't even matter. This is so crazy. I've never buzzed my head, but I've thought about it for so many years.
Yeah.
And I just like, I feel like I had a lot of colors that I wanted to do first, but now I want to do designs on my buzz cut.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna have Harrison do them, and hopefully he's good.
We'll have to see.
If not, I'm gonna be walking around with janky hair.
No. And then he's gonna have like flawless.
Yeah, I know. And I've worked so hard. I've gotten a lot better at doing the designs on his head. Yeah. So I just hope that the same thing happens for him. I want to do a matching one at some point. Yeah, I think that would be cute. To see that. Is it even, you think?
Yeah.
This is the second time you guys have done my hair.
I know.
I love it. It was really great last time. You guys got me into mousse.
Yes.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be so sick. I love mohawks.
Me too. I always wanted like a death hawk.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
It's just like
too basic, I guess.
It's like a really big, longer mohawk that's like teased.
Oh.
It's like wider usually.
I was gonna say, I've always wanted half my head shaved, and I was never allowed, and I was never allowed to do the comb over. One time
I'm glad our
my hair
person
over,
let you,
and my
because you
mom
growing
stopped.
that out?
Yeah, growing it out.
Yeah, that would suck. I feel like an undercut is one of those things where it's like you have to grow it out, but it's on the bottom.
Yeah.
So it's like easier, but growing out a side cut is harder.
I'm also glad that I didn't.
Yeah.
Curly hair growing out is not the same as straight hair. It lays under. No, I'd have a race. It would just start growing off like that. No, I really think you're gonna look really cool. Like, I feel like it's gonna elevate the swag. There's always like a level of like confidence you feel from girls who do a buzz cut.
Yeah,
like,
that's so true.
It really is unmatched.
Yeah, and also you have like the perfect face. So
literally.
Thank you. I think like accessorizing it has made me feel more confident about it. With like all the piercings and tooth gems and like earrings and stuff. Yeah. And the bleached brows.
Yeah.
Which I bleached at you guys' house for the first time.
Yes, yeah.
For the Melanie Martinez concert.
I know. Sorry, I'm focusing back here.
Oh no, please focus. Yeah.
Imagine I'm like, sorry, I'm just lollygagging back here.
It's like you wanted a zigzag part, right?
It would actually be such an
honestly
concept.
Kind of sick mohawk, but it's a zigzag. Because then when you push it up, you'll see
see the zigzag.
Yeah. Well, someone out there do it.
Yeah, someone else do it. Get somebody else to do it. Where did you find that hair scrunchie? It was just here?
I just seen it on the desk. I said, don't mind if I do. Your baby hairs right here want to go down. Do we have like a bobby pin to hold that?
I got some bobby pins.
I love the purple color that it is.
Thank you. Just as I'm getting rid of it.
I actually love this color so much. Like, you've never looked better.
Honestly, like, just stop. Let's cancel the whole thing.
So this is what we're working with right now. We have the middle section, and we're gonna take this off first and do a mohawk. Should we braid this down?
Yep.
And it doesn't have to be a good braid, just like whatever. It could even be a twist. Why does this feel relaxing? It feels kind of like a scalp massage.
Ooh. For me, that would just be
torture. I don't know. I can't handle anything on my head for some reason.
Do you have like a tender scalp?
Yes. And on top of that, I get overstimulated very
Yeah.
fast, very quick.
Oh.
Yeah, so much like of our clips and our videos I have to cut out of my face because it like looks like I'm miserable, but it's just because I like get overstimulated immediately and I'm just like, oh, I can see I look like such an unpleasant person here.
Oh my god, that happened to my sister too. I gave her a haircut and she just like, she's not used to being on camera and everyone was like, she hates it. But in real life she was like, I'm coming back in 3 weeks to get it done. Ta-da. This is like so avant-garde right now.
I know.
I'm liking it.
Time to go to Fashion Week.
I know. If I was taller. So now it's time to cut off the ponytail and I'm using the Baby Bliss Pro buzzer. This buzzer is also really heavy and like heavy duty, so I have a lot of faith in it.
Doubles as a barbell.
Yeah. I'll bring this around Brooklyn just in case someone tries me on the subway. Who wants to cut the first ponytail?
I mean, we can do one each side or something, and then I'll
Who's
record
going
you doing
first?
it.
You. Me.
Maybe we should just loosen it and then cut here. There is no going back after this.
No, there isn't.
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
No, you're gonna look so good. Like, honestly,
Yeah.
like, I feel like it's gonna look really cool.
Yeah.
And it's gonna look so cool with outfits you designs on your
Yeah.
Yeah.
head. Like, and that's so alt. That's so
Yeah.
batty.
I like that you guys are hyping me. You're hyping me
No,
up
I think
enough
it's
for me
so
to do
cool.
this.
Like, I think
Yeah.
you're gonna look so good.
Well, let's find out. 3, 2, 1. My hair has never been this short before.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wait, that's so crazy.
For your voodoo.
For my voodoo? That's crazy. Like, what?
Hey, Kitty.
Okay,
Tinkerbell.
Okay.
You just passed me the torch.
I'm ready.
And it's my turn.
Oh,
It's my
man.
turn. These scissors are good.
Yeah, they're cutting really fast. And they're
Holy.
so smooth, too.
Hold up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And hold up. Give me a second. I see something.
Nice.
So you can keep that if you want.
Thank you for my voodoo.
I'm gonna take it with me.
So this is my hair, or was my hair. I need to stop saying this is crazy.
This is crazy.
The Baby Bliss Pro comes with a bunch of attachments of different lengths. So we have to figure out what length I want, and I think we want to go a little bit longer than what we want, just in case. Maybe I should ask Harrison how long his is. I'm gonna ask Harrison what he does. Harrison said he usually does 1/8 of an inch.
Okay.
So I think we should just go a little bit longer than that.
Yeah.
We could do 3/8 maybe.
Yeah.
We're starting with 3/8 of an inch. I'm always so scared of the sound.
I know.
I feel like my hair's gonna get like tangled and rip it out.
No, it won't.
I want to do the first
Go for it.
one. So I think I'm gonna try like this.
Yeah.
Because I can see. Oh,
Yeah.
Let me detangle that. Let's just detangle so it doesn't get caught. All right, here we go. Oh my god.
You got this.
You're already so close to it, so it's like,
Yeah. I feel like you guys are ready. I'm not.
oh, I'm so ready. But I know you're gonna look good.
Yeah, I also
Like, I
am,
don't
like,
have a doubt in my
excited.
mind.
I think that it's gonna slay really hard because of your earrings,
Yeah.
your face card.
Yeah.
Like, honestly,
Thank
the
you.
hair's a hindrance. You need it gone.
Yeah.
Like, you need to show that face.
Let's show that face. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's crazy.
That is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just gonna do the parts that I can
Yeah.
see.
And throw it at that camera. Throw it right at it.
Wow. Let me get this bottom part.
Does it feel empowering?
It does.
To buzz it yourself? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready to go to a women's march. I think this is the most I can really see at the front without messing up this. This goes really smoothly. I'm not scared anymore.
No.
I was so scared
No,
before that I
yeah.
would just get caught in it.
No.
Those are amazing.
That wouldn't
clippers.
happen. I've used really cheap clippers before and it won't. It will actually just not go through.
Do you want to buzz some?
Sure.
Oh man. Why is this making my makeup look better?
It's
No,
so
like,
slay.
I told you you're gonna look good.
I put on lashes today because I was like, if I'm not gonna have hair, I need to have some
You know
lashes.
I mean, already when you did the slick ponytail, like, that
Yeah.
was a dead sign that, like, it's gonna slay.
Have you seen those gamers that wear headphones so much that they then have an indent in their head? I am so scared to wear headphones now.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even have any, but I'm still scared.
I think that they wear them, like, nearly 24 hours a day.
Yeah.
Like, And also, what headphones are that heavy?
You want to hold down your ear or something just so, or do you want to do that part? Just
yeah, let me do the ear.
Yeah.
Do you already know what your first design you're gonna do once your head is?
I have an idea, but it depends if Harrison is up for the challenge. But I think I want to do like a heat map hand print.
Oh, that's awesome.
And it would be like, I don't know, like 4 different colors for like the different amounts of heat. And I think that would be super cool, but it depends if he thinks he can do it. We might want to use scissors closer to the part just so we don't accidentally get the mohawk. I feel like a rich hot auntie right now. Like, I got some money and I don't have kids.
I don't have kids.
One side done.
Wow, look at
How
that.
does that feel?
Oh my gosh.
It's so light. Like,
Yeah.
it's gonna be so cold in the
I was
winter.
about to say, feeling the wind on your head is gonna be a very
Start your
new
hat
experience.
collection.
I know. And then, like, already having the piercings in the winter, they all freeze.
Yes.
So it's gonna be frozen and then, like, frozen. Do you want to buzz this side?
Sure, I'll buzz a little piece.
I'm just gonna do a few, like, and then hand it off to the pro, just so that the video has me.
How does it feel doing this?
That's fun.
I'd be so stressed to be a barber. Like, one slip and
Oh,
you mess
yeah.
up their fade.
Or cut their ear off.
Yeah.
Just kidding, I don't think that's possible with the stuff that they use, but...
Maybe with scissors.
Yeah, scissors.
Yeah.
Yeah, hairdresser is scary.
That's why I only do one friend's hair, because I know she loves me enough that if I mess up, she'll still be my friend. But, like, doing other people's hair sounds so scary.
I know. I used to want to be a hairdresser because I was always dyeing our hair and everything and, like, everyone I know. But then I was like, oh, the level of anxiety I face day to day just leaving my house, I would never be able to have someone in my chair.
I think I have too much anxiety to do most professions.
It's actually an issue. Wow, it's just like, that just looks like you worked so hard for your ears.
I did.
And you did.
Yeah.
Especially having curly hair.
Yeah. Having it heal while having curly hair and, like, getting it tangled is so annoying. But I did work hard for these. Because I got 5 at a time, and then I got 4 at a time, and then I got 5 again.
How did you even heal multiple at a time? My body would have said, I don't know where to go.
I don't know, like, it just worked, so then I kept doing it. When I did 5 at a time, everyone in the comments, they said that you can't do more than 3 and heal properly, or, like, it's too much. But then I went back and I asked the shop owner, I was like, is it true that you can't do more than 3 or it's not going to heal well? And he told me 50 Cent got shot 9 times and lived. So I was like, okay, pierce me up. I'm trying to hold so still I forget to breathe.
You can breathe, I promise.
You have a great side profile where it's like, it's good to have the hair back.
You were really just, like, hyping me this entire
I think
time.
it looks so good.
Yeah.
Well, that does make me feel better, so continue. Okay, this is what it looks like so far, and I think it's time for the mohawk.
Yeah.
I love how this looks.
I
This is
know.
a death hawk.
Do you want it all together standing up or do you want it spikes standing up, like separated pieces?
I think I want it, like, all together,
together.
like that. Maybe, like, this length. I think we should cut this to
just
here.
a little bit. Do you want to detangle it yourself?
Oh, yeah, I
Just
should
so
do that.
Make it look so
This is as detangled as it's gonna get.
You're giving My Little Pony.
Oh my gosh, rainbow?
Who wants to cut it? Maybe I want to do the first cut.
Where
the
did they go?
scissors-
They're buried?
Maybe this length.
Holy I was expecting maybe this length. I was like, maybe this length.
Yeah, I know. Just close the scissors right off.
Look at that!
Oh, so pretty.
So we'll just try to make everything the same length. Last cut. Ah! Woo! Wow. Ooh. This already looks good.
I love it.
Wait.
Yeah, you look good.
This looks so
Hey,
good.
you need to see that clip of when you just did that because you look good. When you mess up your hair and then after just strike a little pose, like face card is insane. Like,
Oh my god, can you send me these later?
Yeah.
Should I straighten it and then spray it?
Yeah, like blow drying it straight would make it easier for you to do the mohawk.
And I'm not even gonna use heat protectant.
Me and Scott got into a fight in our last video about heat protectant.
What happened?
And how you can test heat protectant. I don't believe in
with
the
receipt?
No! People think that, no.
You can't.
No, because some heat protectant has oil in it. And that, like, oil can be heat resistant. So you're telling me because now the paper and the oil and the hair straightener, like, come on. Like, no, it just doesn't add up.
Yeah, I saw a hairdresser did a video about it and they're like,
Yes.
it's not hair. It's
Yes.
not gonna show you.
She's saying what I was saying.
Okay, let's see. Whoa, okay, I like that. I'm glad we decided to do a mohawk.
I know, I'm
looks
excited.
good.
Why am I still doing like a one pass? Like it
I know,
matters?
why do you care? Why do you care still?
Thanks for doing the back. I could not.
Oh, no problem.
Should we spray it?
Yes.
Classic got to be glued. Let's see if this is strong enough. I'm like scared that it's gonna make my hair curly again if I put too much. So I think I'm gonna do like layers. Wow, okay. Then let's try and... Oh, this is very wet. I'm just gonna leave that. I wanna make sure it's like continuous and doesn't gap. Oh, maybe this is good. I think I'm gonna just like spray all of it and then try and sandwich it while it's still wet. Come in! Hey.
Whoa.
What do you think?
Crazy. That's wild.
It's
Yeah,
yeah,
that's insane.
it is. I'm trying to like get it to stay, but you see the vision.
Yeah.
I kind of want to leave it like this now.
You should and do rainbow.
Do you guys want juice? We have like cranberry pomegranate.
Do you want to say hi to the camera?
Okay, that was it.
You didn't even say hi.
I wait. I usually don't talk in the
He's
video.
nonverbal.
Yeah. Nobody knows what my voice sounds like, so I gotta keep it that way.
Oh my
Oh
gosh,
my gosh,
you're
they
right.
don't know.
I've never spoken.
That's
Oh wait,
true.
no, we did an outfit of the day video, and you
Yeah,
spoke
but
in
nobody
it.
saw that one.
That was before I had any followers on TikTok. I kind of want to maybe keep it as a mohawk and like not even take it off yet.
I would
Like,
love
I
to
would
see a
leave it
rainbow
for a
ombre.
bit because, like, you can dye it different colors. Thank you so much. You do not have to,
Okay.
but I appreciate it.
Do we need to spray the back part?
Yes, we do.
Do you mind doing the back? This is what the mohawk looks like from the side and from the front, from the top. This is sharp. Like, that's crazy. It's really defying gravity.
No, for real.
So cool.
Like,
Yeah.
I don't want to get
Rockin'.
rid of this.
I know.
Honestly, I kind of love this, so I think I'm going to stop here, and we're going to go out tomorrow, and I'm just going to rock this until I'm tired of it, and then finish buzzing it at some point.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you, too, for flying out here
Of
to
course.
do this. They literally
Yes.
flew out here to cut my hair.
I couldn't miss this.
All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bye.